I often tell people you don't want to be the Chick-fil-A of your industry unless you're ready for the level of pressure that those expectations bring. Do you really want customers with high expectations? Because when you train them to expect excellence, every mistake feels like a public failure. So here are 3 ways that we deal with these expectations. First, you have to train for guest recovery. You can't wing it when things go wrong. Teach your team how to bounce back. Have a system for it. Second, track feedback relentlessly. Your customers are speaking with their words and with their wallets. And third, don't let failure define you. Mistakes don't ruin you unless you stop learning from them. Fail forward. Because what we discovered was we didn't just build expectations, we built trust. If you want to build a team like this, DM me or visit us at Kalera.world and let's build something legendary.